Shaft is a rotating machine element, usually of circular cross section. Shaft is used to transmit power from one place to another. Power is delivered to the shaft by means of tangential force and resultant torque is set up within the shaft. To transfer power from one shaft to another, various components such as pulleys, gears, sprocket, etc. are connected on it by means of keys and couplings. Generally, the power transmitting shafts are subjected to bending moment and twisting moment, that is torque. Hence, bending and torsional shear stresses are induced in the shaft. Bending moment is caused due to mounting of pulleys, gears, sprockets, bearings, etc. on the shaft. Essential characteristics of shaft material are as follows: high strength, good machinability, high wear resistant property, ductility, high fatigue strength, etc. Shaft material. Material for shaft is selected depending upon its use. For ordinary use, carbon steel is used like 40C8, 45C8, 50C4, etc. For high strength use, alloy steels such as nickel steel, nickel chromium steel, chrome vanadium steel like 40CR, 1MO28 are used. Manufacturing process. The manufacturing process used for shaft is hot rolling. Hot rolling is the best method for shaft production, followed by cold drawing or turning and grinding. Shaft of large diameter are generally forged and then turned. Types of shaft. Shafts are classified into following types: transmission shafts, spindle, axle, machine shaft. Transmission shaft is used to transmit power from source of power to the source absorbing device. Transmission shafts only support the transmission elements like gears, pulleys, sprockets, etc. Line shaft, counter shaft, and overhead shafts are the transmission shafts. Line shaft consists of several shafts which are connected in axial direction by the use of couplings. Counter shaft is a secondary shaft which is driven by the main shaft. Spindle is a short rotating shaft which forms one of the integral part of machine tool. Spindle is used in all machine tools like lathe machine, drilling machine, grinding machine, etc. Spindle imparts motion either to the cutting tool or to the workpiece. Axle is a non-rotating element. Axle just support the rotating element like wheel housing drum. Axle does not transmit any torque. Rear axle of wagon is the example. Machine shaft are the integral part of machine itself. For example, crankshaft of an IC engine. The standard shaft sizes. The standard length of shaft are 5 meter, 6 meter and 7 meter. The length of shafting should not be more than 7 meter. The following are the common sizes of transmission shaft: 25 mm to 60 mm by 5 mm increment, 60 mm to 110 mm by 10 mm increment, 110 mm to 140 mm by 15 mm increment, 140 mm to 500 mm by 20 mm increment. This is all about the basics of shaft. In next video we will discuss about keys and coupling.